Yes. Good morning, students. Last class I told different types of problems on trigonometric functions. At the same time, we have applied different types of formulas for different types of problems also. And we solved some proving conditions problems also. In proving conditions problems, which types of formulas you have to apply, about that also we have discussed. Even I told about trigonometry. If you want to take easiest ways to solve the problems in trigonometry means how to thorough in the list of formulas of trigonometry. The whole trigonometry is depending upon list of formulas only here. That's what for that after completion of proofs of trigonometric identities, to each and every identity I gave different types of formulas. Now let us today also we are going to solving different types of problems on trigonometric functions. After completion of all these problems today, next class onwards we'll start syllabus. In that syllabus I'll start first lesson of your first P syllabus. Now let us we are starting some different types of questions on trigonometry functions. First question is show that square root of 1 plus sine theta 1 plus sine theta whole dividing by 1 minus sine theta is equal to secant theta plus tan theta. Secant theta plus tan theta here. LHS part they gave square root of 1 plus sine theta whole dividing by 1 minus sine theta. With the help of this left hand side part, we must give the proof secant theta plus tan theta in right hand side parts. Now let us be considered left hand side parts. Solution for this question is LHS, considered LHS parts. Considered left hand side part here. Left hand side part is square root of 1 plus sine theta whole dividing by 1 minus sine theta. To this here take like a rationalization. Rationalization nothing but we must take opposite symbol to the place of denominator. Like 1 minus sine theta is there, opposite to that 1 plus sine theta. With that we are going to doing here multiplying and dividing. 1 plus sine theta whole dividing by 1 plus sine theta. ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ರೇಷನಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅಂದರೆ ಈ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದಂಥ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು. ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಸಿಂಬಲ್ ಅಂದರೆ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇದ್ದರೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟು 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ತಗೊಳಿದ್ರೆ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲಿಕೇಶನ್ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಮತ್ತು ಡಿವಿಷನು ತಗೋಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. See here, ಇದರ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ square root of, otherwise you can write here square root of 1 plus sine theta into 1 plus sine theta, that can be written as 1 plus sine theta whole square whole dividing by a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square, because in place of denominator, we are seeing two factors. They are in the form of a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b formula is a square minus b square. According to that formula, we can write this 1 square minus sine square theta. 1 square minus sine square theta here. After this step, from this onwards, I am giving solution to this question. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿ ನಮಗೆ ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಫಾರ್ಮಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಎ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಇಂಟು ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಬಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಎ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಬಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀವಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಇದೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ, ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ನ್ಯೂಮಿನೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟು ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಗೆ ಒಂದು ಪಾರ್ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ, ಅಂದರೆ ಸಪ್ರೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಿಲ್ಲ. ಹೆಂಗಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡ್ರಿ, ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಆಫ್ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಒಂದು, 1 plus sin theta whole square ಒಂದು, whole dividing by square root of 1 square means 1 minus sin square, 1 minus sin square means here cos square theta, cos square theta. Now square gets cancelled, here square gets cancelled, square gets cancelled. Remaining terms are 1 plus sin theta whole dividing by cos theta. Now you separate them. Separate. Because denominator is cos theta and numerator is 1 plus sin theta. That's why it is common. It is common to both terms 1 and sin theta. That's why separate into two terms with the help of denominator cos theta here. Like this. 1 by cos theta is one term. Another term is here sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta by cos theta here. 1 by cos means reciprocal of cos function is secant theta here. And sin by cos becomes here tan theta. They asked this only. Similarly, in same way we got that also. That is secant theta plus tan theta. And finally, we are equating to right hand side part. It is equal to RHS. Therefore, after getting that, you should write the question. Therefore, square root of 1 plus sin theta whole dividing by 1 minus sin theta. 1 minus sin theta is equal to secant theta plus tan theta. It is the results. Like that here we gave the solution for this. But any problem in case of trigonometry, any problem, it should be depending upon formulas. See here, but left hand side parts in sine terms they gave. But right hand side part, we should get the proof in terms of secant and tan. For that you have to think. If you can consider left hand side parts, but we have to get secant theta plus tan theta. But what we should do to that getting that right hand side parts? But they give fraction under the square root. When they give under the square root means we have to remove. How? That's why here you have to apply little bit application of rationalization. If you can apply that method, and the problem will become little bit simple, and afterwards at finally you have to apply some trigonometry formulas, then you will get a result of right hand side part here. Like that we have to think about the problem before that giving the solution. What we should do to the LHS part, then we'll get the RHS. Like that you have to think first, and afterwards better move to apply different types of formulas of trigonometry functions here. LHS part ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಬೇಕು. ನಮಗೆ ನೋಡಿದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯೋಚನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನು ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಆಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಂಥ ಟೈಪ್ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ಲಿ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಮಗೆಲ್ಲ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಂತ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಬಾರ್ದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾರ LHS ಪಾರ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ. ಮತ್ತು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಹೋಗ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ರೇಷನಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಮೆಥಡ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ನೀವು ಟ್ರಿಗೊನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲಾಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನಾವು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಕೆಲವು ಯೋಚನೆಗಳು ಮಾಡಲೇಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಅದರ ಜೊತೆಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೇಸ್ನು ನೆನಪಿರಬೇಕು. ಸಂದರ್ಭಾನುಸಾರ ನಮಗೆ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೇಸ್ನು ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. Like that we are giving a solution to like all these questions. Now let us we are going to giving solution for one more question. Show that square root of 1 minus cos theta whole dividing by 1 plus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta minus cot theta. Cosecant theta minus cot theta here. See here, similarly, before this question we solved same question now. In that way also, here also we must consider left hand side part. At the same time, to this we must and should take that rationalization, and afterwards simplification of that. At the side of that, you have to apply some different types of formulas of trigonometry functions. ಸೇಮ್ ಬಿಫೋರ್ ದಟ್ ಇದಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಮುಂಚೆ ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಮಾಡಿವಲ್ಲ, ಒಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿವಲ್ಲ, ಸೇಮ್ ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ರೇಷಲೇಷನ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರುವಂಥ ಕೆಲವು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿ ಫಾರ್ಮುಲೇಸ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಬೇಕಾಗಿದ್ದು ನಮಗೆ ರೈಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಸೈಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಲೆಟ್ ಅಸ್ ನೌ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್. ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್. Considered left hand side parts. Considered left hand side part here. Left hand side parts. Square root of 1 minus cos theta whole dividing by 1 plus cos theta. To this take like a rationalization. Rationalization means you must take opposite symbol to denominator part. In place of denominator, they gave 1 plus cos theta. To that we must take opposite, means the opposite term to the term 1 plus cos theta can be written as 1 minus cos theta. With that here we are going to doing multiplying and dividing to the quantity under the square roots. See here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರಲ್ಲ, ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ನಮಗೆ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅದಿಲ್ಲ. ಆ 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಗೆ ಆಪೋಸಿಟ್ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈಯಿಂಗು ಮತ್ತು ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ರೂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂಥ ಕ್ವಾಂಟಿಟಿಗೆ. ನೋಡಿರಿ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಇಂಟು 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಹೋಲ್ ಡಿವೈಡಿಂಗ್ ಬೈ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಹಿಯರ್. Here you can write also, no problem, multiplying and dividing. Multiplying and dividing. Multiplying and dividing with 1 minus cos theta under the square root only. No need, just already we are keeping under square root. No, just you should mention words at the side of that solution, no problem. Now here square root of is equal to square root of 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. It can be written as 1 minus cos theta whole square. At the same time, in place of denominator we have a plus b into a minus b. A plus b into a minus b can be written as a square minus b square. And for that we have to apply this formula. Already I told, like all these formulas of first class of bridge course, a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. We have to apply this formula here. That is a square means 1 square minus b square means cos square theta here. Next afterwards, from this onwards, I'll give solution this side. Is equal to square root of, separate the square root first, square root of 1 minus cos theta whole square, and denominator part is 1 square means 1, as it is 1 minus cos square you will get here. Illi 1 square andre 1 ಮತ್ತೆ ಎರಡನೇ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 1 ಮೈನಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಎದರಲ್ಲಿದ್ದು ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಟಿ ಇಸ್ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಥೀಟಾ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1. Then sin square theta is equal to what we can write? 1 minus cos square. Like this. Reasons, for that reasons I am writing here. Check this here. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1 here. Sin cos square that side, it becomes sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. From this result, in place of 1 minus cos square, we can write sin square theta here. That's why in place of denominator also, under the square root, we are going to taking here sin square theta. And both are giving under the square root means square and square root gets cancelled. Here square and square root gets cancelled. Then we will get 1 minus cos theta whole dividing by sin theta here. And afterwards separate the terms with help of denominator. ಈ ಥರ ಬಂದಮೇಲೆ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಕಾಸ್ತಿಲಿದ್ದ ನ್ಯೂಮಿನೇಟರ್ಲಿರುವಂಥ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಸೆಪರೇಟ್ ಅಥವಾ ಇಂಡಿವಿಜುವಲಿ ಬರಿತಾ ಹೋಗ್ರಿ. ಆ ಥರ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಬೈ ಸೈನ್ ಥೀಟಾ minus cos theta by sin theta here, cos theta by sin theta. Reciprocal of sin function is cosecant theta, that is cosecant function, minus cos by sin means cot function, that is cot theta, that is equal to right hand side parts. Therefore finally should write this square root of 1 minus cos theta whole dividing by 1 plus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta minus cot theta. Cosecant theta minus cot theta. Like that we are giving a solution to this question. Next, similarly, same way we are going to solving some different types of questions. Right now we solve the question under the square roots. Next we are going to solve the questions other than square root, then how to solve like those questions. About those questions now we have to think. Now let us we are starting like those questions now. Prove that cosecant A minus sin A, cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A into tan A plus cot A, tan A plus cot A is equal to 1. But taking left hand side part, we should get answer is 1. On proving Otherwise, on giving a proof, on giving solution to the left hand side part, finally you should get answer is 1. That is 1 is in RHS parts. Now let us, we are going to considering the left hand side parts. Solution for this question is, solution for this question. Consider left hand side parts. Consider left hand side part here. Left hand side part is cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A into tan A plus cot A. It is tan A plus cot A here. Now convert all these terms in one term. For example, cosecant is there. Take a reciprocal of which function becomes cosecant 1 by sine. Take reciprocal of function for secant also. Reciprocal of which function is secant? Cos is. That's why in place of secant we can write 1 by cos A. Then afterwards tan A and cot A, sin A by cos A plus cos A by sin A in place of cot. Like that too, you should write all the functions like this. When you are going to writing like that, at the time you are going to some identities, the formations in the form of identities. Sin square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. That's why wherever if you can see that sin square A plus cos square A to this solution of this question, instead of that we must put 1. For that only we must convert those functions into the terms of sin and cos. In left hand side ನಿಮಗೆ ಕೊಸೆಕೆಂಟು ಸೀಕೆಂಟು ಮತ್ತು ಟ್ಯಾನು ಕಾಟ್ ಅಂತ ಇದೆ. ಕೊಸೆಕೆಂಟ್ ಜನರಲಿ ಯಾವ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ? ಸೈನ್ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಸೈನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಕೊಸೆಕೆಂಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಸೀಕೆಂಟ್ ರೆಸಿಪ್ರೋಕಲ್ ಆಫ್ ಕಾಸ್ಗೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದು ಸಲುವಾಗಿ ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಬೈ ಸೈನ್ ಎ ಮತ್ತು 1 ಬೈ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಟ್ಯಾನು ಕಾಟಲ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸಲ್ಲಿನೂ ಸೈನ್ ಎ ಬೈ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಮತ್ತು ಕಾಟ್ಗೆ ಕಾಸ್ ಎ ಬೈ ಸೈನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರಿತಾ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಹೋದರೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸೈನ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಂತ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ 1 ಅಂತ ಬರಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಕೆಲವು ಟ್ರಿಗ್ನಾಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಐಡೆಂಟಿಸ್ ಗೊತ್ತಲ್ವಾ, ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಆ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ಗಳಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 1 ಅಂತ ಬರ್ತೀವಿ. ಥರ ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಗ್ಯಾರಂಟಿ 1 ಅಂತ ಆನ್ಸರ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Now let us start the solution of this question now. See here cosecant A is there. In place of this we can write 1 by sin A here minus sin A into here also 1 by cos A here, 1 by cos A minus cos A here into here tan A is there. Tan A can be written as sin A by cos A plus cot can be written as cos A by sin A here, cos A by sin A. Sin here. Taking LCM for the first bracket part. Here there is no nothing means just you considered 1. That is LCM is sin A. LCM is sin A here. 1 into 1, 1 minus sin into sin, sin square A here. 1 bracket part this is. Into. Here also, for second bracket part also, LCM becomes cos A. Because for the second term, there is no nothing in the down of cos means we can consider that is 1. At the same time, we mustn't take LCM of these two fractions. That is LCM of these two fractions is cos A. Then afterwards take cross multiplication 1 into 1, 1 minus cos A into cos A becomes cos square A here into LCM for these two fractions is cos A into sin A, or we can take sin A into cos A also, no problem. Now afterwards, taking cross multiplication, sin A into sin A, sin square A, plus cos A into cos A, cos square A here. Then afterwards, you substitute 1 minus sin square A places cos square A, because cos square A plus sin square is equal to 1, or 1 minus sin square A is equal to cos square A. That's what in place of numerator parts. Is equal to, in place of numerator 1 minus sin square A can be written as cos square A whole dividing by sin A into 1 minus cos square is sin square A whole dividing by cos A into sin square A plus cos square A is 1 whole dividing by sin A into cos A, that is cos A into sin A. Right. Now cos square A into sin square A whole divided by, in place of denominators of all the three fractions, they are in products. If they are in product means directly we can take their product of all the terms here. How means, see here, sin A into sin A, sin square A, cos A into cos A, cos square A. First term is sin A into sin A, it is a sin square A here. Next, cos A into cos A, that is the cos square A. And now both are gets cancelled here. Then answer becomes is equal to 1, is equal to RHS parts. Therefore same answer, secant A minus sin A, cosecant A minus sin A into secant A minus cos A into tan A plus cot A is equal to 1. Like that we are giving solution to this question. Next question. Prove that 1 minus tan theta whole square, 1 minus tan theta whole square plus 1 minus cot theta whole square is equal to secant theta minus cosecant theta whole square. Secant theta minus cosecant theta whole square. Like that for the solution this is here. By doing what we'll get RHS part. About that now we have to think here. Same way, similarly in same way, we must consider left hand side part here. Consider left hand side parts. Solution for this question is consider left hand side parts. Consider left hand side part here. Left hand side part is 1 minus tan theta whole square plus 1 minus cot theta whole square here. Here you have to apply a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square formulas you have to apply. A minus b whole square and a minus b whole square. A minus b whole square formula is the a square plus b square means tan square minus 2ab means 2 tan theta here plus here also. And again for second bracket part also we have to apply a minus b whole square formula. A square plus a square means 1 plus b square means cot square theta minus 2ab means 2 into cot theta here. Here I applied these formulas. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. I applied this formula here. At this formula. At the same time, secant square theta minus tan square is equal to 1. From that result, we can write instead of this secant square theta, this is minus 2 tan theta plus. Instead of this, I am going to writing cosecant square theta. Remaining term is 2 cot theta here. That's why I write one side secant square theta and remaining is cosecant square theta and remain two terms minus 2 tan theta minus 2 cot theta here. 1 plus tan square means secant square minus tan square is equal to 1. Then 1 plus tan square can be written as secant square. Instead of this also, cosecant square minus cot square is equal to 1. Then 1 plus cot square can be written as a cosecant square. Next remaining is secant square theta plus cosecant square theta minus 2 take common here. If you can take minus 2 common, you will get tan theta plus cot theta here. Tan theta plus cot theta. And all this very simple questions, like all these questions is equal to. Next. But finally, we should get this answer. That is the secant theta minus cosecant theta whole square. See here. Secant square theta plus cosecant square theta minus 2 into. In place of tan we can write sin theta by cos theta. In place of cos we can write cos theta by sin theta. Close this brackets. That is equal to here secant square theta plus cosecant square theta minus 2 into LCM for these two fractions is secant sin theta into cos theta. Taking cross multiplication, sin into sin square theta. Here also take cross multiplication, cos into cos, it becomes cos square theta. Is equal to secant square theta plus cosecant square theta minus 2 into sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1, because according to trigonometric identities, in place of sin square theta plus cos square theta we can put 1. I told 3 identities, no. Among all those 3 identities, it is one identity, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. That's what, in place of this we are going to putting 1 here. Sin theta into cos theta is equal to secant square theta plus cosecant square theta minus 2 into, separate them like this, 1 by cos theta into 1 by sin theta, and both are giving same meaning here, because how I am writing in term product of in two terms means, If you can take product of these two, and again you will get 1 by sin theta into cos theta here. How means here? See here, the product of numerators 1 into 1 is 1. The product of denominators sin theta into cos theta. Same term you will get. Just we are going to modifying the term into product of two terms, like that 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta. Here we got reciprocals of functions sin and cos. Reciprocals of sin and cos are cosecant and secant are respectively. See here. Secant square theta plus cosecant square theta minus 2 into reciprocal of cos is secant, that is secant theta. Reciprocal of sin is cosecant, that is cosecant theta. Now it is in the form of a square plus b square minus 2ab. A square plus b square minus 2ab is equal to what we can write here. Already what we have written here, a minus b whole square. According to that formula, we can write final step is here secant theta minus tan theta whole square is equal to right hand side part this. Therefore we can write here 1 minus tan theta whole square plus 1 minus cot theta whole square is equal to secant theta minus tan theta whole square. This is the answer or final condition. Like that we gave the proving for this question with help of left hand side parts. Like that we gave solution for this question. Like that today we solve some different types of questions on trigonometry functions. Like that you may solve some different types of questions at your home also, because similarly same way you collect some questions and how to give solution to those questions, how to apply same solutions of all these similar questions. Next class onwards I'll start the syllabus. Syllabus means first lesson is sets, relations and functions there. I'll start the syllabus. Up to now today we have finished all types of basic and fundamental points in bridge course. Even trigonometry also have given different types of fundamental basic concepts, and even algebraic formula, about algebraic formulas also I told. Even in the case of proper and improper fractions also have given different types of methods and different types of resolving into solving of partial fractions also I told. But next class onwards I'll start the syllabus. Thank you very much.